killing things? I couldn't.
Hey guys, Flatcap here bringing you another video, and today you're going to be watching just a little quick clip. This is the hardest co-op, or hardest and final co-op mission on Halo Spartan Assault for the Xbox 360. Playing here with my friend Grayson, or Refuge, and this is the best strategy that we found to beat the last co-op mission with the hollow skull on, which makes it so we only have shields, no health, and we were able to beat it and get gold, or the highest ranking on it. With almost a 20,000 time bonus at the end. So I'm going to go ahead and tune out and let you guys watch the rest of this. Hope you guys enjoy the strat and the gameplay. Leave a like if you do. And until next time, I'll catch you later. Peace.
Yo. I've got two. It's destroyed. Plan on me dying, remember? Alright, I died. I was just trying to farm as much as I could right there before I got killed. I've got full shields. I died. Shit, I'm getting yellow, get the yellow! Oh. Oh shit. Stay alive, I died. Run. Let's get the other. Died. Stay alive, just stay alive. Stop. Get to the end if you can. Get to the end. I think we both have to be alive for it to go. Oh. Oh yeah, dude. Yeah!